something in the tire there, right between the tread blocks, and yeah, I ended up running out of air. It's leaking slow there. Let's see if I can pull that out of there. Everything fits nicely in this little pouch, and then I also got a little room to throw some extra solid fuel tabs in here. Got it out. So I started by reaming the hole with this one, and then I couldn't get the plug in, so I went ahead and used this T-handle to open it up more, and now I'm trying to get the plug in, putting a little air in so I have something to push against so I'm not hitting into the rim. So I'm using the hand pump, just doing everything like I would on the trail. I put about 100 pumps with the hand pump. Gave me enough pressure in the tire, and then I started pushing this in, turning it clockwise to match the twist that this gave it, and almost got it in there. So you can see I got it all the way in, except for just a nub sticking out. Basically, I'll use one hand to push on this, another hand to pull the T-handle. This will keep from pulling the whole plug out. This works out. There we go. It's trailside repair right there. I'll pump some more air into it. That should get us out of whatever bind we're in.